Hello everyone, this is Chakradhar. Welcomes you to TT Hub Jobs channel. Today we are going to see many openings coming up in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, Hyderabad region. Being a proud Navodayan alumni, I am here happily presenting you the complete details of our Hyderabad region of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. So please go through the complete details beginning to the ending of this video so that you will get the complete clarity about all the requirements. It's a notification, official notification from the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti Hyderabad region from the Deputy Commissioner. So he is inviting online applications. All these positions are recruited under regions of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, and as well as many union territories for PGTs, TGTs, and as well as creative teachers and faculty cum system administrators (FCSS). Four kinds of positions are there, and under every category again subject wise there are many openings available. So coming down to the detailed openings of PGTs, TGTs. Now let us see the openings of PGTs. There are openings of PGTs in Hindi, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Commerce, Geography, History, Economics, and as well as Computer Science under PGT category. So there are number of openings. You can go through all these openings one by one in the notification PDF. Coming down to the TGT's openings, now the notification is released for TGT Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social. So all these openings are there, and as well as regional language openings are there. Telugu 6, Kannada 5, Malayalam 1, and Tamil 3. So all these regional language openings are also available. So coming down to other vacancies like creative teachers and as well as FCSS. So creative teachers under that, art teachers, music teachers, PET male, PET female, librarian, all these openings are there, and as well as FCSS there are number of openings 25, 31, 16, 5 based on the region. So these are many openings available. So it's a best opportunity guys. You can utilize this based on your qualification. So let us see what are the qualifications basically required for this. Coming down to the PGT, you should have post graduation with minimum 50% aggregate in the concerned subject for which you are applying for. In the similar way, TGTs and as well as create staffs, you need to have minimum graduation with 50% aggregate, and as well as you need to have B.Ed qualification. And if you are applying for FCSS, then you should have graduation with diploma certificate in the computer applications, or else you can have BCA, BSc kind of computer science background, or else you can have BTech, BE, Bachelor of Engineering kind of any kind of, or else MCA also is fine for this. So if you have such kind of qualification, you will be eligible for FCSA kind of opportunities. In detail in the notification for every subject, what is the requirement, minimum requirement, and the best requirement, all those are provided. I request you to go through the notification so that you will be understanding the complete requirement and you can apply. I am going to provide you the link also. You can go through the official website of Hyderabad region, or else I am going to provide you the direct link so that you can utilize it for your comfort. For this any kind of job role, maximum age specified as a 65 years as on 31st August 2020. So, for the academic of 2021, the recruitment is happening, and the last date of online application receiving is 17 September 2020. So there's short span of time. Please go through the notification immediately and as well as apply as soon as possible. Date of online interviews will be provided after applying this. All these updates will be available in the official website. Online interviews will happen in between 9 to 5 p.m. On the given dates. As I told you, dates will be provided later. For any other queries, the help desk number is given as 9346685670. You can contact this number regarding any queries if you have in the applying procedure. Coming down to the remuneration for these teachers, if you are applying for the PGTs, 27,500 per month for the normal stations, and as well as hard stations 32,500 is provided. And for the TGTs, it is 26,250 rupees for the normal stations and 31,250 for the hard stations. For FCSS, it is 26,250. So all these are the remuneration details. It's a consolidated remuneration. So if you are looking for these kind of opportunities, I request you to register your details. Registration link is provided in the notification PDF itself, as well as I am going to provide you in the description below this, so that you can directly click on that and you can go through that. Once you open the registration form, you will get the instructions to be followed, where all the instructions you need to accept, agree the conditions, and you can follow that. What kind of conditions? It is simple, like as it is a residential kind of education system, you are supposed to reside in the Navodaya Vidyalayas wherever you are given an opportunity. And apart from teaching, you need to follow the residential activities. You need to support the principal in all kinds of residential activities. So like that kind of activities, like that kind of specifications are available over there. You need to understand that it's a temporary contract basis. So all those terms are clearly specified over there. Go through that, read it, then you can click to proceed for applying the jobs. So all the best. I request you to pass this information to as much as possible to the eligible candidates. All the students, if you are not eligible for this, if you are not willing, but it might be helpful for other people who are eligible for this, I request you to share with them so that they can utilize this best opportunity. Thank you very much. Have a great day. And if you are coming for the first time to my channel, I request you to subscribe to TT Hub Jobs channel, so that you will be getting the notifications by pressing the bell symbol. So subscribe and press the bell symbol. Have a great day. Thank you.